Nag-meet dahil ni Renzo first year college. So, classmates me sa English. So,
then mo to naging seatmate me. Then sige siya pangapis ako.
Dili pa jud tumaon totally nag-start among love story. So, after na pagka-graduate na 2017.
To my beloved Carla, here I'm standing before you today. I am overwhelmed with gratitude that our path crossed and that you choose to walk beside me.
Ang first impression nako sa iya, syempre gwapa. Then mo to iyang batasan na habang gadugay na gustuhan na pud nako siya. And very caring and loving siya na pagkatao jud.
Guniti ang akong kamot, paingon ta dito sa altar.
For 7 years of being boyfriend and girlfriend, we encounter many ups and downs. Halos every day and walay week na dilit na mag-away. Many times we almost give up, but your promises, your wisdom, and the quiet assurance you gave, making me feel that everything is going to be okay.
Si Renzo, man siya kanang ganahan ko sayaha kay kanang masking ano ba kanang feeling nimo kanang wala gud siya problema kay sige lang siya smile. So ikaw makakita siya mag-smile pud ka kanang ana good murag comfortable kay ka sa iyaha ba. So tapos ano siya kanang down to earth kayo siya. Then grabe siya maka-encourage po. This is for you. This is for you.
Semua gawin. Care semua. Then
Guniti ang akong kamot, paingon ta dito sa altar. Ug akong
I promise to cherish you every day, to respect your dreams and goals in life, but I can't promise to give my sahod every day. I promise to be patient when days are difficult, to find reason to laugh even in challenging times, and to comfort you through disappointment without unwavering support.
No words can describe how grateful I am to you. You became my everything, and I'm sometimes kept wondering how could have possibly done without you all those years. In you, I found a partner in life, a lover, a best friend, someone I can be my ugliest and most vulnerable with, someone who supports, encourages, inspires, and respects.
Di malantaw ang imong mga payo, usa kuyugan ti ka. Taman sa atong katapusang pagpiyo. Guniti ang akong kamot, maingon ta dito sa altar. Ug akong
I promise to make you laugh when you're taking life too seriously. And I promise to love you unconditionally. I love you, my husband, Renzo.
Naniniwala ako na ito yung araw na nilaan ng Diyos para sa ating dalawa. I can't imagine my life without you. I love you always and forever. Carla Jane B. Magdas.